Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a qualified Ayurveda gynecologist. In today's video, I am going to share 5 very good and authentic holistic Ayurvedic remedies for acne and acne spots. Nobody wants acne and acne spot. Yes, I totally agree. But in today's time, yes, we face this problem because of the hormonal imbalance, because of the pollution, our bad lifestyle and many more reasons. So it is very easy for you to follow these remedies. So I hope you're going to like this video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated with all my latest videos. Our first remedy is take 1 tsf of cinnamon powder. Yes, cinnamon powder, and add 1 tsf of pure honey into this. Make a pack and you can apply on your acne. Wherever you have acne, you can apply this pack. This is really effective because cinnamon and honey both have antimicrobial property. Our second remedy, take 1 tsf of aloe vera gel and add 1 drop of tea tree oil. Nowadays tea tree oil, essential oil are easily available. So now mix it well and apply wherever you have acne. Our third remedy, you must need clove for this. It is very easily available spice and I am sure this is available in your kitchen. Clove is very effective for acne. It contains eugenol and eugenol have anti-acne property, anti-inflammatory property. So you need fine clove powder and add honey into this. Make a pack and you can apply wherever you have acne. The fourth remedy is my personal favorite. It is you only need tomato juice. Yes, tomato juice contains salicylic acid. So it is very effective and my personal favorite. You only need a cotton, dip into tomato juice and apply wherever you have acne. It is very good for acne spots also. Our fifth remedy is take fine powder of fenugreek seeds. Now add curd into that and make a pack. This is really effective because fenugreek seeds contain lots of antioxidants. So it is very good for skin. So I hope you like this video. You can choose any one of remedy and apply on your acne. And this is totally holistic approach. Thanks for watching my video.